A rotational removable partial denture, or rotational RPD, is a type of removable partial denture that utilizes a specific path of insertion involving a rotational movement to seat the prosthesis in the mouth. This design takes advantage of the natural anatomy of the arch and the position of the remaining teeth to secure the denture with minimal visible class and enhance aesthetics. Unlike conventional RPDs, which typically have a straight or linear path of insertion, a rotational RPD is designed to rotate into place. The rotational movement often involves an arc or pivot around a specific axis, allowing certain parts of the denture to engage undercuts that would be inaccessible with a straight path of insertion. A rotational RPD is often designed in segments where one part seats first, followed by a rotational movement that seats the remaining segment. This sequence helps in achieving better retention and aesthetics. The rotational design allows for the use of fewer or less visible clasps, especially in the aesthetic zone, because the denture can be retained by engaging undercuts in a more controlled and discrete manner. Designing and fabricating a rotational RPD requires precise planning and execution to ensure the correct path of insertion and proper engagement of undercuts. Any deviation could compromise the fit and function of the prosthesis. Let's understand this an example of a rotational RPD. A patient has missing anterior teeth and posterior teeth, with only a few remaining teeth in the anterior and posterior segments. The anterior teeth are vital for aesthetics, and traditional clasps would be unsightly. The RPD is designed with the posterior teeth acting as the primary abutments. The denture is seated by first placing the posterior segment of the RPD onto the posterior abutment teeth. Once the posterior segment is in place, the RPD rotates around an axis, usually at the distal end of the posterior abutments, to bring the anterior segment into position. The rotation allows the denture to engage undercuts in the anterior abutments, securing the denture without the need for visible clasps in the aesthetic zone. A patient missing all anterior teeth class 4 might benefit from a rotational RPD. The rotational path allows the prosthesis to engage the undercuts in the premolars or canines, that is, posterior abutments, rotating the prosthesis into place and securing it against the anterior ridge. Okay, so what are the advantages of rotational RPD? First, by minimizing or eliminating visible clasps in the anterior region, the prosthesis is more aesthetically pleasing. Second is improved retention. The design can utilize undercuts in areas that would be difficult to engage with a conventional straight path RPD. And the third is custom fit. The rotational movement allows for a more customized fit, especially in complex arch forms. What are the considerations for fabricating the rotational RPD? The design and fabrication of a rotational RPD require a higher level of precision and expertise. Careful planning and execution are essential to ensure success. Some patients may require more time to adapt to the insertion and removal technique due to the unique path of insertion.